Dear students, I am a maths teacher. I will teach you maths. Your first chapter is rational number. Dear students, your first chapter is rational number. Before starting the rational numbers, we will discuss about some important definitions, those we have read in earlier classes. So you have read natural number. All counting numbers are called the natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, etc. Whole number, all counting number including 0 is called the whole number. Example is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Integers, all positive and negative counting numbers including 0 is called the integers. We can locate these positive and negative integers on the number line. We will draw the line. We will take any point O on the number lines. So right to the origin or right to the 0, we will make the positive integers, that just like 1, 2, 3, and left to the 0, that is -1, -2, -3, that is the negative integers. So example you can take after 0, that is 1, 2, 3, etc., and 0 to left to the 0, that is -1, -2, -3. After that, see rational numbers. All numbers of the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, is called the rational numbers. For example, 2 upon 3, 0, etc. You can feel that how 0 will be the rational numbers. So 0 we can write that is 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, because we have done the definition कि denominator is not equal to 0. So numerator can be 0, denominator can be not 0. Positive rational numbers. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either positive or negative. For example, 2 upon 3. Here numerator and denominator both are positive. Or -4 upon -5, that is both are negative. So minus sign cancel out. So many examples we can take this type. Negative rational numbers. A rational number is a negative if its numerator and denominator are positive signs. Opposite signs. For example, -2 upon 3. Here numerator is negative, denominator is positive. Here is the opposite signs. 2 upon -5. Here 2 is positive, 5 is negative. Here opposite signs. So these are known as the negative rational numbers. Some important properties of rational numbers given that. How can we decide that equivalent rational numbers? Equivalent rational numbers. So suppose that A upon B is any rational numbers. So we will multiplying by non-zero integers, that is m, numerator and denominator, we can make the equivalent rational numbers. Just like 2 upon 3. So we can write multiplying by a common multiple, non-zero multiple, the integer, that is m. So here A upon B, we can multiplying here m multiplying in numerator and denominator, we can make the equivalent rational numbers. For example, 2 upon 3. So here multiplying common non-zero integers, that is 2 numerator and denominator, we can make the equivalent rational number, that is 4 upon 6, etc. Many examples we can find with the help of this. How can we make the rational number in standard form? In standard form, how can we make? So see, if A upon B is rational number and m is common divisor of A and B other than 1, then A upon B equal to A divided by m, B divided by m. So greatest common divisor you can take here. Just example here, 6 upon 18, here greatest common divisor is 6. Understood or not? 6. So 6 we will divide numerator and denominator. 6 is cancelled out, here will be 1. 18 divided by 6, that is 3. So your standard form of 6 upon 18 will be 1 upon 3. So many example you can give with the help of this question example. Third property, if a upon b and c upon d be two rational numbers, then a upon b equal to c upon d. So by cross multiplication we can say that AD equal to BC. So we can decide that with the help of this example, just like 2 upon 3 equal to 3 upon 2. So this will be 4 equal to 9. This is wrong. Understood? After that, some important notes you see. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. A second point, every negative rational number is less than 0. Less than 0. Example you can give here. 2 upon 3 greater than 0 and minus 2 upon 5 less than 0. So many examples you can give here. General method of comparing rational numbers. So some important steps will be here. First point will be express each of the two given rational numbers with positive denominator. Suppose that one of them rational numbers will be negative. Denominator will be negative. Then that denominator we will make positive after multiplying minus 1 numerator and denominator. After second point, take the LCM of these positive denominator. Understood? LCM we will take. How can we take the LCM? You are knowing. Suppose that you cannot take. Then suppose that 4 and 6 given that. For example, then LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. Understood? LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. Express each of the rational numbers, make equal denominator as LCM. Fourth property is a number having greater numerator is greater. So we can decide that which rational number will be greater and which will be the smaller. So we can do the question from the exercise. This type of question given that based on this property, question given that in the exercise. Example you see. Minus 1 upon 3 or 4 upon minus 5. So minus 1 upon 3 here denominator is positive. So we will not make here this denominator positive. Here in second 4 upon minus 5 given that. So we will make the denominator positive here multiplying by minus 1 and minus 1. So here minus 4 upon 5. So LCM of these two positive denominator, that is 3 and 5, will be 15. So we will make the LCM of this 15 in both rational number, that is here 3 given that, so multiplying by 5 and 5 we can make the denominator 15. Similarly in second minus 4 upon 5, for making the 15, here 5 given that in denominator, so we will multiplying by 3 numerator and denominator. So we will find out minus 12 upon 15. So here you see these will be these two denominators are having 15, 15. Their numerator is different, that is minus 5 and minus 12. Here minus 5 upon 15 greater than minus 12 upon 15. Here you are having some doubt because of 12 greater than 5, but negative integer smaller, but negative smaller integer will be greater than the greater negative integers. So here minus 5 greater than minus 12. That's why minus 5 upon 15 greater than minus 12 upon 15. Or this we can write minus 15 upon 15 5 upon 15 we have written, that is minus 1 upon 3. So in the place of this we can write minus 1 upon 3 and here will be 4 upon minus 5. So minus 1 upon 3 greater than 4 upon minus 5. So a lot of question given that in the exercise. Understood? So with the help of this you can do. So in exercise this 1.1 up to question number 1 to 6 you can do with the help of this. Other questions also you can do. Here's ascending and descending order given that. So just like we have discussed the greater rational numbers. With the help of this, you can do. Suppose that you are having some problem. Tomorrow we will discuss about this. You will do in your home these questions.